Epicenter Dota 2 opening show faced complex challenges in synchronizing live esports, broadcast, stage design, and multimedia content. The solution was a modular pipeline that combined LED displays, projection mapping, and dynamic lighting as one cohesive system. Content was structured into functional layers that ensured smooth transitions between live gameplay and cinematic sequences. The final result delivered an immersive experience for both live audiences and broadcast viewers.